Gardening does not have to be back-breaking. In fact, we've got power tools to do all the hard lifting. I'm here with Dylan Litsky. She is the ambassador for City Mill. And we're going to be doing some cool things with some of these power tools today. Talk story with me about like the first process into gardening. What should we be doing first?
So whenever you're using any of these power tools, you want to make sure you have the right protection. So we have our safety goggles, safety gloves, and you want to make sure you're wearing long sleeves, long pants, and if you have long hair, tie it up in a bun.
Got it. Well, goggles, check. Long pants, check. And now we've got the gloves. Okay, let me go put my hair back. All right, we're ready to rock and roll.
Yes.
First things first, got the safety equipment on. What's next?
So we're just gonna go over some of the tools we have in front of us. So the first two we have, these are both powered reciprocating saws. So those are gonna be kind of like a chainsaw, but the blade is gonna go back and forth. So these ones are super cool because they are great for both working in the yard with cutting trees and big branches, but the blades are actually changeable. So you can change them out to do other projects around your house as well.
So when you're changing those out, there might be larger blades that can handle a little bit more of the shrubs or any of the different branches, the smaller ones for more intricate projects.
Yes, and you can even change saws for cutting things like metal as well.
Wow.
So, but for the garden specifically, you're gonna tackle those bigger branches as well.
Cool, and then what do we have over here?
Over here we have a chainsaw, so it's gonna do similar work to the Sawzall or the reciprocating saw, but this one's gonna be a little bit more heavy duty, so maybe you have some bigger branches, trees that you wanna cut back. This one is gonna take that job for you. And then this one is a hedge pruner, so this one is gonna go across the top of your hedges. If you want those nice like square looking or really circular hedges, this one is gonna be great for that.
Awesome. So I mentioned the power tools are doing the heavy lifting, but if you want to go a little more traditional old school, there's also like the hand tools as well that doesn't have any power to them.
Yeah, so we have some pruners and these are loppers. So on the package themselves, they show what size of branches they are good for, but these are great if you just need to do a quick little trim on your plants in your garden. These are gonna do just as good of a job.
Nice. And then looking at all of these power tools here, they are powered by the battery. You don't have to hook them up. So talk a little bit about the convenience when it comes to these cordless machines over here.
Yes, so they're all powered by lithium batteries, so these are rechargeable. So in this kit you have a battery and the charger as well. So it's great if you want to be really in the bushes, in the thick of it. You don't have to worry about a cord kind of getting in the way, and if you need to take them anywhere with you, they are very portable.
Well, City Mill's got you covered for your power tools and your hand tools, plus they've got a cool expo coming up. Dylan, tell us about that.
Yeah, so City Mill has their Fall Garden Expo coming up on August 21st and 22nd at the Pearl City City Mill and the Hoi Kai City Mill. There's going to be around 15 garden experts flying in, so they're to answer any of your garden questions that you might have.
Oh man, and I have so many questions. I'll be there for sure as long as I get to pick up some of these tools for my garden, because I'm really trying to beautify my yard. And this is where it starts, right here at City Mill. We're going to have details on HiNowDaily.com. Mahalo.